And welcome to the last content day of the week. Today now we're going to move on to another reading from ck12, and today we're going to look specifically at the idea of heat. So if you kind of remember where we've been, we've talked a little bit about thermal energy, which is the total amount of kinetic energy that an object has, and we've also looked at temperature, which is then the average of all that kinetic energy amongst all those particles. Last couple of days, we spent time making sure that we understood how we can convert different scales of temperature from Kelvin to Celsius to Fahrenheit. And now today we're going to talk about a concept called heat. And heat really more or less entails the ability of to transfer that energy from one particle to another. And one of the things I really want you to pay attention to today are actually two things. Is first of all, this simulation here, I'd love for you to just pop in there, take a look at it, because it does a great job of answering this question. So if you've ever used an oven before, and you put your hand into the oven with the mitts to pick up whatever you're taking out of it, the whole oven was heated to 400 degrees. So why is it only when you touch the metal that you burn yourself? Why isn't when you put your hands into the oven that they just don't burn it on themselves? And that's really the question that this simulation is aiming at discussing for today. So really, like we said earlier, heat is the transfer of that thermal energy. So this graph here, again, another one I want you to pay attention to, should look a little bit familiar to you in the fact that we have our different arrows. So again, you can tell that arrow for temperature A is longer than B. So this means it has more thermal energy. And this is what we did a couple days ago when you did your model. So what's happening with heat is you have your energy transfer. So it always goes from warmest to coldest. So this energy from A is being transferred to B. And that's really what this model is showing you. And that's what you're going to be really diving into today. So those are the aspects we really want you to kind of be paying attention to today. Again, when you're done, please complete this practice here. And then when you're done, again, click Turn In on the top of ck12. Again, do not turn in via Google Classroom. It needs to be in through ck12. The second part of today, actually, I wanted to put on the back of your brain right away, is an opportunity for you tomorrow. And that is an extension project. So yes, this is completely can-do. This is not something you have to do, but we know that a few of you have reached out saying, hey, we're looking for some additional options and opportunities. And so I just want to put this on your radar. So tomorrow we're going to be pushing this out to you. It is a solar oven design challenge. We're asking you to design a solar cooker, and we'll have a video attached to this. There's a design brief here. Feel free to read it over. This will be pushed out tomorrow. Just an opportunity for you to do something if you're looking for something to do. But again, this is completely a can-do experience. It's not graded. It's not going to be checked in. It's just if you're looking for something that relates to the unit, that you're looking for some additional opportunity to enhance your understanding. Otherwise, again, once you finish the reading for today and you've taken your practice quiz, please submit it via ck12. Otherwise, have a great day, and we will talk to you on Monday.